A Chatham judge has ruled that 14 children in the ultra-Orthodox Jewish group Lev Tahor should be removed from their families' care. You'll remember members of Lev Tahor fled Quebec amid allegations of abuse, moving to Chatham in November. Since then, a lawyer for Lev Tahor has been fighting to keep all of the children in their parents' care. Our Michelle Molesky was in court for today's ruling. She joins us live now from Chatham. Michelle?
Well, Christy, in his ruling, Justice Stephen Fuerth was very critical of Lev Tahor for how the sect left Quebec. He feels the community fled in haste once children's authorities in Quebec had ordered that 14 of their children be taken into protective custody. Justice Fuerth calling it, quote, a tactical maneuver to frustrate the judicial process that had been started. Still, the judge has put a 30-day stay on his order here in a Chatham court. He says it allows the family time to appeal his decision. Speaking outside of court here today, the lawyer for the Lev Tahor families involved says they're very disappointed.
The reason why the children are being sent back is because there's a decision from a Quebec court judge that this judge here in Ontario has agreed to recognize and enforce. I just think it's important to note that there is an appeal of that decision being taken place in Quebec. My understanding, I believe, is that appeal is to take place on February 20th. So that should answer some of the questions about, you know, what is it that's being appealed? What are the underlying reasons here?
We're not fighting against. We're just fighting in favor for our religion and other religious groups to have the possibility to have religious studies as our education.
Now, Christy, in the 30-day stay that Justice Fuerth put on his order here today, he said at the same time Lev Tahor families have to open their doors to authorities with Chatham-Kent Children's Services on both scheduled and unannounced visits within the next 30 days. Now, if Chris Knowles says that he's going to go back to his clients and see if they want to appeal this decision, either way, Mr. Goldman says he will appeal it on behalf of his entire community. Of course, we will have a full report on all of this for you tonight at 11. Until then, Christy, I'll send it back to you.
Okay, thank you, Michelle. Michelle Molesky reporting live from Chatham tonight.